heartfelt greetings and best wishes to all our teachers, management persons, and dear students. Today is the day to remind for those who sacrificed their life to free India. Today we gather here to celebrate 77th Republic Day. And Republic Day transfers the power from the monarch to the people of India. This is the most significant of this day because our country got independence 15th August 1940. From that, Constitution Assembly was formed and our Constitution completed on 26th November 1949. But students, you know there is great importance of 26 January in Indian national movement. On this day, the first declaration of independence, that is called Purna Swaraj Divas, in 1930 at the bank of the river Ravi in Lahore. And since then, every 26th January was celebrated as Independence Day. So to remain the importance, to continue the importance of 26 January, our Constitution makers waited 2 months and ultimately on 26 January 1950, our country became a republic country and Constitution came into effect. So there is great importance of 26 January in our life, and it transformed the power from the monarch to the hand of the people. So our country becomes democratic, republic, sovereign, secular, socialist, and all these matters, these things are mentioned in our preamble. So students, being human, being humanity, the real meaning of our republic is to feel the sense of the pride of our country. Since 1947, our constitution makers, our country faced a lot of problems, a lot of challenges, poverty, illiteracy, unemployment, and now government has been framing the several rules, several regulations to improve the conditions of our people. So students, in one our constitution provides certain fundamental rights, but in another side, constitution also gives fundamental duties to us towards the nation. So you should obey, you should follow the rules of discipline. Even we have to follow the integrity, sovereignty, republic of our nation. Today we are very fortunate here. We have got such opportunity to celebrate in our nation. And as students, you are the future of nation, you are the strength of nation, and the hands of the nation are in, and the hands or fulfills of our nation in your hands. So you are suggested to follow all the manners which are very essential that can strengthen the nation in our country. So once again, all students, you are suggested to follow and pray for the better to the nations and the people, and ultimately we can gain our end. So once again, Happy Republic Day to all. आप सभी को गणतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. Once again, भारत माता की, भारत माता की.
Thank you, sir.